Okay, second type for testing the random number is autocorrelation test. Consider example. Using autocorrelation test to test whether the random numbers are uniformly distributed with the starting interval 3, 8, 13 and so on, and the largest integer number is given as 4. Z alpha by 2 is given as 1.96. The sample data are given below. These are sample data are given below. First find the data. I value we got 3 because the starting from the interval 3, the m is equal to 5. The difference between first number to the second number to the third number to the so on. So difference between first and second number is 5, that is small m, and largest integer m is given as 4. Critical value is given as Z alpha by 2 is 1.96. Now first we need to find out autocorrelation and standard deviation. The autocorrelation of Pi by m, I comma m is equal to 1 by largest integer m plus 1. Summation of k equal to 0 to largest integer m, Ri plus k into m small m, Ri plus k plus 1 into small m minus 0.025. This is an equation. Now how to find out this value? Ri plus k into m into Ri plus k plus 1 into m. We just write down the equation. Now how we find without using the equation? Let's see. I start from 3. 1, 2, 3. This is I. 0.13. This 0.13 we got from this equation. 0.13. Now 0.28 we got from here. So how to find without equation? 0.28 means from here you count down difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is second m. I got 0.28. For iteration k equal to 0. For iteration k equal to 0 plus, now k became 1. Now again we need to find this part. 0.28 we got from same number, you write on slash I 0.28 and 0.33 we got, count on 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0.33. Now this became m when k is equal to 1. Next same number you write on, this is an I, again difference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0.27. This number you got. Then m, again same number I, count the difference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again this is m, second number. Next 0.25, start from same number 0.25, then difference 5, 0.36. This is k iteration at 4 minus 0.5. Now substitute the value. After substituting this value we got autocorrelation value. Then we have to find out standard deviation. Standard deviation equation is given here. Uppercase n is 4 plus 7, 12 into 4, 7, you will get standard deviation value. Then find test statistics. Z naught is equal to P cap I into m divided by standard deviation is this one. After substituting you will get this one. Then check whether the random numbers are generated is accepted or rejected. Z naught value we got, Z naught value is minus 1.5196. Z alpha by 2 is given in a question 1.96. If it is between these two, then we will say random numbers are accepted, otherwise random numbers are rejected. Suppose if Z alpha by 2 is not given, then we need to find out Z alpha by 2 value, that is alpha is given as 0.05 alpha value is 0.05 divided by 2, you will get 0.025. I will say theta value is equal to, then 1 minus theta value will get 0.975. Once this value we got, now we need to check its critical value from the table A3. From the table A3. Okay, in this we need to find out the value as 0.975. This is 0.926, 0.974, 0.974. See here, 0.975 value we got. Its corresponding row is 1.9. Its corresponding column is 1.06. Then you add 1.9. Add 1.9 with 0.06. You will get 1.96. Now this is an critical value for Z alpha by 2. We got Z alpha by critical value is 1.96. This is another way of finding critical value. Suppose in a question, if largest integer number is not given, then we need to find out largest integer number, that is I plus uppercase M plus 1 into small m should be less than equal to n, where n is total number of sample data. Total number of sample data is given as 30. N is 30. I value is 3 plus m value we need to assume plus 1. Small m value is 5. Should be less than equal to 30. Less than equal to 30. I will assume uppercase M value as 2. Then substitute these 2 in the equation. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 5 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 is less than 30. Yes, 2. I got 18. It's true. Then I will assume M is equal to 3. Substitute in this equation. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 into 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 23 is less than 30. Yes, true. will now assume m is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 5, 5 into 5 25, 25 plus 3 28. 28 is less than 30, yes true. I will assume m is equal to uppercase, m is equal to 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 5 is 30, 30 plus 3 is 33. 33 is greater than 30, so false. Out of these three, which is the nearest value to the 30, that will become as largest integer number. So nearest value to the 30 is 28. So largest integer m is 4. If largest integer m is not given in a question, then you need to find it by using this equation. Okay, this is an autocorrelation test problem.